If you are buying a used car in 2025, there are only three things that actually matter: total cost of ownership, mechanical reliability over 8 to 12 years, and how much value the car gives for the money. This list is not based on popularity, brand image, or excitement. It is based on engine durability, repair frequency, fuel efficiency, depreciation, insurance cost, and real-world ownership data. These are 5 used cars that consistently perform best across all major ownership categories in the US and EU markets. Each car is evaluated using the same criteria: average used price in 2025, engine and transmission reliability record, real-world fuel economy, maintenance and repair cost trends, insurance and depreciation, and expected lifespan with normal maintenance. Toyota Camry Hybrid, model 2019 to 2023. Average used price ranges from $22,000 to $28,000. It uses a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine paired with an electric motor and an electronic CVT planetary gear system, not a belt-driven CVT. This hybrid system is based on the same architecture used in the Toyota Prius, with an extremely low failure rate. Hybrid battery lifespan typically ranges from 8 to 12 years, or 160 to 200,000 miles. Engines commonly exceed 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Real-world fuel economy averages 45 to 50 miles per gallon in city driving and 43 to 47 on the highway. Maintenance costs are low, limited mostly to oil changes, brakes, and coolant. Brake life is extended due to regenerative braking. Insurance costs are lower than luxury sedans, and depreciation is slow. Over long-term ownership, this car delivers one of the lowest costs per mile of any mid-size sedan. Honda CR-V, model 2018 to 2022. Average used price ranges from $20,000 to $26,000. It uses a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine paired with an improved CVT introduced after 2018. Reliability data shows a strong long-term record with low engine failure rates and significantly improved transmission durability after redesign. Real-world fuel economy averages 27 to 30 miles per gallon in the city and 32 to 34 on the highway. Cargo space reaches approximately 75 cubic feet with rear seats folded. Ground clearance is suitable for poor road conditions, and crash safety ratings are consistently high. Insurance costs are moderate, maintenance costs are predictable, and resale value remains among the highest in the compact SUV category. It performs well as a long-term family vehicle with balanced ownership costs. Toyota RAV4 model 2019 to 2022 with the hybrid version preferred. Average used price ranges from $23,000 to $29,000. Powertrain options include a 2.5-liter petrol engine or a 2.5-liter hybrid system with electric all-wheel drive. Reliability data shows extremely durable drivetrains. The hybrid all-wheel drive system avoids traditional rear differential failures by using a rear electric motor. There are minimal high-stress components and no complex turbo systems. Real-world fuel economy for the hybrid averages 40 to 42 miles per gallon in the city and 38 to 40 on the highway. Maintenance costs are low, fuel savings are significant over 5 years or more, and the AWD system has fewer mechanical failure points compared to traditional setups. This vehicle combines SUV practicality with near sedan fuel efficiency and strong long-term durability. Mazda 3, model 2019 to 2023. Average used price ranges from $17,000 to $23,000. It uses Sky Active G naturally aspirated engines paired with traditional automatic transmissions, not CVTs. Reliability data shows low engine stress by design, minimal turbo usage, and strong durability across global markets. Real-world fuel economy averages 25 to 28 miles per gallon in the city and 34 to 36 on the highway. Interior build quality is high for the segment, with lower cabin noise than competitors like the Corolla. Electronic failure rates are lower than many German compact cars. Insurance costs are low, repair costs are inexpensive, and depreciation remains moderate. It offers strong driving dynamics without sacrificing reliability. Honda Civic, modeled 2018 to 2022. Average used price ranges from $16,000 to $22,000. Powertrain options include a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine or a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. Both platforms have proven long-term durability. Reliability data shows low repair frequency and high tolerance for mileage and daily use. Real-world fuel economy averages 29 to 31 miles per gallon in the city and 36 to 38 on the highway. Maintenance costs are very low. Replacement parts are widely available worldwide, and resale demand remains strong. This model continues to be one of the most cost-efficient vehicles ever produced. When comparing these vehicles by category, the Camry Hybrid delivers the lowest cost per mile. The CR-V performs best as a family vehicle. The RAV4 Hybrid offers the strongest hybrid SUV balance. The Mazda 3 provides the best value in the compact segment. The Civic delivers the cheapest long-term ownership overall. In 2025, the smartest used cars are not the most expensive or the most exciting. They're the cars that lose less money, break less often, and last the longest.